Hey guys, welcome to my video. And today we're gonna open another present. Let's see what we have. Ooh, I'll pop some later. Maybe this one. Ooh, more. Maybe another one. Maybe another one. And another one. I'm almost finished. But that looks so cool.
Whoa.
Wait, there's more in there? Whoa. Okay. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. From Saad.
Uncle.
Saad.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle Saad. Whoa. This is so cool.
What do you say?
Thank you so much.